Hello to one and all, myself Pallavi Tripathi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the third video related with the apoptosis. In the last video, I just have told about the intrinsic pathway of apoptosis. Today, I will let you know the steps that are involved in extrinsic pathway of apoptosis. So the very first thing, some sort of extracellular signal or the ligand will bind, है ना? It begins when a specific ligand like that of the FAS-L or TNF alpha, that is the tumor necrosis factor alpha, bind to certain receptors. I already just have told you in the previous lecture that there are some receptor, as we are talking of some sort of extracellular signal, so surely there will be some receptor that will just receive such signals, है ना? Once the receptor receive the signals, what will happen? There will be the recruitment of the adapter protein. You can just see here, adapter domain, that is the TRADD, that is the tumor necrosis factor receptor associated death domain, है ना? So this will bind to the signal, that is the TNFR1 death domain. This TRADD also has death effector domain, है ना? Further, what will happen once this adapter recruitment takes place? There is a formation of this complex, है ना? This TRADD will recruit the initiator caspase, that is well known. Initiator caspase in case of extrinsic pathway of apoptosis is procaspase 8, है ना? So it will be TRADD will recruit procaspase 8. Then further it will just form the disc, that is the death inducing signaling complex disc. This caspase 8 is in inactive form, that is the procaspase. So what will happen, in order to get it activated, some sort of modification will take place. Well known modification is cleaving, है ना? Cleaving will take place, and this procaspase, that is the inactivated form, will convert into the activated caspase. Once the initiator caspase is activated, what it will do, it will just align the executor caspase, है ना? This active caspase 8 will cleave and activate the executor caspase, like that of the caspase 3, caspase 6 and the caspase 7. Further, this caspase, what will it will do, it will lead to the degradation of the cytoskeleton or the DNA fragmentation. Other responses are also there, and ultimately it will lead to the death of a cell, है ना? So that is the thing. You can also see through the images whatever we just have discussed. You can just see extrinsic. Here are the receptors that will receive these FAS-L and ligand and FASD, है ना? You can just see the death receptor, then the particularly the FADD formation, that is the adapter recruitment, then further the activation of the initiator caspase, then the this particularly the executor caspase. You can just see here, and how this BID signal and TBID this particularly will inhibit, है ना? This will promote the apoptosis, and this BCL2, BCLX, these are the anti-apoptotic signals, है ना? You can just see these are the intrinsic that already we have discussed. So that's all. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe for such more content. Thank you so much for watching.